In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Twist Mobile Banking app not working. So if Twist Mobile Banking application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, what you have to do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Sometimes unstable internet connection might be the reason why your application is not working, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. But still, if your application is not working, it might be because of the CAS of the application. In that case, what you have to do is clear the CAS. For that, what you have to do is launch up an app library on your device, find the application for Twist and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, App Info. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of Twist. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for Stories and CAS and tap on. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the Stories interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: Clear Stories, Clear Cast. Simply tap on this option, Clear Cast. After you do that, the cast of this application will be cleared and your problem will be solved. Now, your application should start working, but if your application still does not work, it might be some problem in the device itself. In that case, what you can do is try restarting the device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. So for that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Restart. Once you do that, your device will be restarted. Once the device has been restarted, all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and your problem too will be fixed. So that is how you fix Twist Mobile Banking app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.